I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi R8. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and familiarize yourself with the controls. Insert the key and turn it to the on position. Then, press the red engine start button on the steering wheel. Listen to that engine roar to life. Make sure the parking brake is engaged before you begin. Now, let's get ready to shift into gear. With the engine running, it's time to select your gear. For automatic driving, simply move the gear selector to D for drive or R for reverse. If you prefer a more engaging experience, switch to M for manual and use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Don't forget to explore the various Audi Drive select modes, like Comfort for everyday driving or Dynamic for a sportier feel. Now for the fun part, acceleration and braking. Gently press the accelerator pedal to feel the incredible power of the R8. Remember, it's a high-performance vehicle, so be smooth with your inputs. When it's time to slow down, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. The R8's brakes are incredibly responsive, providing excellent stopping power. Always maintain a safe following distance. When your exhilarating drive is complete, it's time to park your Audi R8. Shift the gear selector into P for park. Then, engage the electronic parking brake, usually a button near the gear selector, for added security. Finally, turn the ignition key to the off position to shut down the engine. Congratulations, you've successfully driven an Audi R8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.